Hello, Stitchery friends. I wanted to give a quick little update on the haunted dollhouse there. Yes, it's the haunted dollhouse. Unfortunately, at this moment, I can't do any lives due to my schedule. So I thought I would make a quick little live here and give you an update. I'm almost finished with the walls. Let's see here. I have these 4 walls that I am almost finished with. I just love them. They're so cute. So let me get this out of the way. But I'm almost finished with those. I'm going to keep on going with the inside of the haunted house. I did do one thing. Let me turn it around here. I sewed the edges onto the roof here. I did it like every other. I just did a quick stitch. You can't even tell on the top. Well, you really can't tell. There's a Henry here. Henry's been in here. So I did that real quick, and it really helped hold this top piece up, because it kept flipping down a lot. So I'm gonna finish this porch. I just have to finish. This is one of the beams, and I'm almost finished with the other beam right here. And then, oh, where is it? I already have the porch roof finished. Oh, I'm on something. The trees. So as soon as I get this last piece right here finished, I will get this attached. And then all that's left is the inside, and then the rest of the decorating on the outside. So I wanted to give the quick break. And again, I'm so sorry that I'm unable to do lives at this time. Hopefully it's not a permanent thing. But yes, but please continue working on. I'm going to keep doing video updates as often as possible. And today is Thursday, so happy Thursday, everybody. Don't forget, all auctions end on Friday. They will start on Mondays in one post and end on Fridays. And hopefully that makes it easier for everybody all around. And don't forget, the flash sales soon upon us. And I wanted to share these as I'm unpacking my Halloween decor. I wanted to share these fun eyeballs. Are they not just adorable? So I did not design these. It is a designer on Etsy. I will put a link to her Etsy shop in the comments below. The pattern is only a couple dollars for the digital download. And yes, if you buy the pattern, I can cut the shapes for these. I will say, they are a little tricky. They're quick to stitch up. But I found stitching them together, this part here, when you got to the part underneath the eyeball, see how there's one end here and then the other end, there's a little tricky, and I do believe I hot glued, yes, I hot glued the top on. But I love them. You can make these up great for a party. Yes, aren't they just adorable? So look forward to more. Oh, and also the welcome calendar. Please, please, please let me know if you're still sending me the ornaments for your month, or if you cannot, please let me know so I can keep that going. I will do updates on that as well. Again, please, I'm so sorry for the lives. I'm going to be using all those kits that I had for the bingo prizes. I will be using those as door prizes for the flash sale. So keep an eye for that coming as well. All right. I will have another update soon. So happy stitching.